Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Cox communications service, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly disconnect your internet. Step 1. Review your Cox account and contract details to understand any early termination fees or contract obligations that may apply to cancellation. Step 2. Contact Cox customer service by calling their retention department or visiting a Cox solution store. Keep your account number accessible for verification. Step 3. Clearly state to the representative that you want to cancel your Cox internet service. Specify your preferred disconnection date. Step 4. Expect retention offers such as promotional pricing, plan downgrades, or service credits. Consider these offers or firmly decline if you are committed to canceling. Step 5. Confirm all final charges, including early termination fees if applicable, equipment non-return fees, and any prorated service charges for your final billing period. Step 6. Ask about equipment return requirements. Cox requires return of all rented equipment, including modems, routers, cable boxes, and remote controls within 10 days. Step 7. Return equipment to a Cox solution store and obtain a detailed receipt, or use the prepaid shipping label provided. Photograph equipment before shipping as backup proof. Step 8. Verify your final bill for accuracy and cancel automatic payment arrangements. Keep monitoring for any unexpected charges. If issues arise, contact Cox Billing Department with your cancellation confirmation details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.